Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Affirm to get cash in 2025. Affirm is a financial services company that provides consumers with the ability to pay for purchases over time. To get started with Affirm, first, you need to check if you are eligible for an Affirm loan. You can do this by visiting the Affirm website or mobile app and providing some basic personal and financial information. Affirm will then perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility and provide you with a loan offer. Once you have been approved for an Affirm loan, you can use it to make purchases at thousands of online and offline retailers that accept Affirm as a payment method. When you are ready to make a purchase, simply select Affirm as your payment method at checkout and follow the prompts to complete your loan application. The loan application process typically involves providing some additional information, such as your income and employment status, and agreeing to the terms of your loan. Once your loan is approved, the funds will be disbursed to the retailer and you will begin making monthly payments to Affirm. It is essential to make your monthly payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. You can make payments online or through the Affirm mobile app, and you will receive reminders and notifications to help you stay on track. One of the key benefits of using Affirm is that it provides consumers with a transparent and predictable way to pay for purchases over time. With Affirm, you will know exactly how much you owe each month and when your loan will be paid off. To get the most out of using Affirm, it is crucial to only borrow what you can afford to repay, and to make your monthly payments on time. You should also carefully review the terms of your loan before agreeing to them, and make sure you understand all of the fees and charges associated with your loan. In conclusion, using Affirm to get cash in 2025 is a straightforward process that can provide consumers with a convenient and transparent way to pay for purchases over time. By following the steps outlined in this guide, and by using Affirm responsibly, you can make the most out of this financial tool and achieve your financial goals.